Hi, Jenny here. My mom has been talking about Olive Garden lately, and I wanted to make another soup, so I thought, I could make one of their soups. So that's what we're going to try today. We are going to make pasta fagioli. I hope I said that correctly. I guess it means pasta and beans. So let's get started. Well, the soup should be good. It has lots of ingredients in it. So we will need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 pound of ground beef, 1.5 cups of a yellow onion, 1 cup diced carrots, 1 cup of diced celery, 3 cloves of garlic, 3 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce, about 28 ounces of chicken broth, half a cup of water, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of basil, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 3/4 teaspoon of thyme, half a teaspoon of dried marjoram. I couldn't find dried, I found fresh, so we'll just use like 1 teaspoon of that. Salt and pepper, 1 cup of ditalini pasta, so it's kind of small, tiny, little round pasta. 1 can of red kidney beans, 1 can of northern beans, and 3 tablespoons of fresh parsley. I'm going to start by chopping up all my vegetables and getting that prepped and ready to go. Next, we will pour a tablespoon of oil into our pot, and then we will cook our ground beef. Okay, when the meat is no longer red or pink, it's all cooked through, we are going to drain the grease. Hopefully I can do that from this pot. Normally I cook this in a different pot. So I have a handy dandy little drainer here. You want to drain the grease into some type of a ceramic cup or something that won't melt from the heat of the grease. You don't ever want to pour the grease down your drain because you could clog up your drains. So let it just dry in the cup, it'll get solidified, and then you can put it in your garbage. We will transfer the meat to a bowl or a plate. And then we're going to use the same pot and we will cook up our vegetables. Second tablespoon of olive oil. And the carrot, celery, and onion. It's been about 6 minutes. The vegetables are getting a little translucent there. They're getting soft. Now we'll add our garlic. We'll cook it another minute. And we're going to bring this to a boil and then simmer it for 20 minutes. So I'll turn up the heat. While we are waiting for our soup to boil, I'm also going to go ahead and get some water boiling, and we are going to cook our 1 cup of pasta in separate water, drain that, and then we'll add that to our soup. We will also get our beans ready to add, so we're just going to drain them and rinse them. Soup is boiling, so we are going to put this on a simmer and cover it for 20 minutes. We'll also take care of that 3 tablespoons of parsley. Right, the water is boiling for the pasta, so we'll get that going. We have just about enough time. 7 minutes left on the soup. This is going to take about 8 or 9, so we will be fine. Pasta is finished cooking. I drained it. We can now add that to our soup. Also add your beans and parsley. And we'll cook it for another minute or two until those beans get heated through. All right, the soup is all finished. It smells pretty good. I think it's going to be pretty delicious. I got this recipe off the site called Cooking Classy, so I will leave a link to that down below. Let me know if you've ever made this soup before or what your favorite Olive Garden soup might be. I think I'm going to make the minestrone soup next. We'll try that one too. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't already, and if you have, thank you so much. I appreciate you spending some time with me. I'm going to enjoy my lunch. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. It's probably still hot. Oh yeah, that was good. Carrots are just the right doneness. And that meat, tomato soup, good stuff.